been having a hard time manifesting, or you trying to manifest and you don't see any results on what you're trying to manifest, you're steady in your head, you're just like over it at this point. This whole law of attraction thing, you feel like it's a host and you don't want nothing to do with it at all. If this is you, I am here to tell you why you're not manifesting what you want. In this video, I'll be giving you 3 tips on why you might not be manifesting the things that you want and how to get in alignment with manifesting your dreams. Y'all know I gotta have that Namchapa incense. Hey, my beautiful gods and goddesses, rich rising, blessed day, wherever or whatever time you are watching this. This video is meant for you to watch right now. If you are new here, my name is Indigo from the Indigo Effect. I inspire your desire to aspire. I do that by sharing spiritual videos on how to start on your journey, meditation, and how to manifest the life of your dreams. If you're interested in videos like that, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when I post a video every Monday. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so I know to make more videos like these. Before I get into the 3 tips on why you're not manifesting, is I did a poll on my Instagram page, on my Instagram stories. And if you're not following me on Instagram yet, please go ahead and follow me at Goddess Energy and follow the business page at the God Body Shop. On Instagram, I posted a question, like a multiple choice question, and what is one of the hardest things? I placed a post here. Majority of the people picked letter B, which is I need help. That's the hardest thing for all of us to do, because I picked B too. It's hard for me to ask for help, and it's hard for me to be completely vulnerable around strangers or people that I don't know. Well, it was. For me now, and I have people that can attest to this, I can talk to anybody. Literally, I'm in Whole Foods, I spark a conversation with someone, we're talking for like a good few minutes, exchange numbers. I am more open and available for talking to people now, especially through this platform and healing and sharing this and connecting with a lot of people. It's more natural to me. But when it comes down for me to actually need something and to ask for the help with that, it's been so hard. And even with my boyfriend, like, he literally has to probe me sometimes, like, you sure you don't need anything? Are you okay? Do you need anything? Because I've literally gone times where my bank account is completely empty, overdrawn, and I still don't ask for help. Because I feel like I'm Wonder Woman, I'm Superwoman, I could do it on my own, I'm this big divine goddess, so can't I just handle it on my own? And that is so far from the truth. So I do want to jump into this topic, but just because I want to stay on track on what this video is about, let me know if you want to have that discussion. I think that I'm going to be going live to kind of talk about this so that we can get questions and people's point of view during the session. Let me know if you're going to be into that. Type down below. Let's go live. Let's get to the video. Tip number 1, and why you're not manifesting the life of your dream. The number 1 reason why you're not manifesting your dreams and what you want is because worry and surrender do not go together, honey. Okay, let me break this down. When you manifest, you literally have to know within yourself. You have to feel it. You have to see it. You have to smell it. You have to taste it. You have to make that vision, that you're trying to manifest, so real in your mind that you already know that you have it. A lot of times people go wrong when they try to manifest and they state, this is what I want, but they don't bring any feeling, they don't bring any action, they are worrying in their head, like, how am I gonna get this? Like, okay, I put this in the universe, but what do I do now? Like, overthinking it in your head, not letting go, not surrendering can be the biggest mistake that we make when it comes down to law of attraction and manifesting. You have to be able to surrender. You have to be able to already know, already see, already smell, and use all of your 5 senses in the manifestation process. And once you do that, you already know that you got it, so there's no need to worry. Worry and surrender do not go together. The second reason why you're not manifesting the life of your dreams is because you don't believe that you can achieve it. You don't believe that you can attract lump sums of money. You don't believe that you can have perfect health. You may say that you want to manifest these things, but you do not believe deep down inside that you can actually achieve them or that you already have them already. And a lot of times we are stuck in a poverty mindset. I know that in the Black community, this has been an issue for years, for generations on generations. We are raised by parents, not all of us, but for the majority of us, we have parents that feel, oh, I never own a pair of $1,000 shoes. Those type of thoughts and that type of mentality only keeps us in a box. It only keeps us in a box that we forget about all the other things that's outside of the box. All the other things that you maybe never even saw or visioned, but it might be something that you want. Like, you've never seen someone in your family be an astronaut. But if you say that you want to be an astronaut and this is your passion, something you're passionate about, you can achieve that. You can be an astronaut. You can be a doctor. You can be an entrepreneur and be self-sufficient. You can have lump sums of money. Money is only currency. Money is energy. Once you understand the concept of money being energy that you attracted, and in order for you to attract more to you, you have to release it, knowing that it's going to come back in tenfolds. You have to understand the simple concepts and what may be holding you back from manifesting. My third and final reason why you're not manifesting the life of your dreams is because you try to put a timeline on it, or you're trying to rush the manifestation from taking place. A lot of times we forget to enjoy the journey on manifesting our dreams and our goals. And that is the actual part that really matters. That journey that you took to get up every day, be disciplined and do something, take the action. Those are the lessons that we needed to learn, because once we achieve that goal, once we achieve that manifestation, in our human nature, we're gonna want more. It's nothing wrong with wanting more, wanting to aspire to have more in life. So once we achieve a goal, we're gonna think bigger than that goal. We're gonna think, now I want more. I want to manifest more. Shoot, if I could did that, if I could manifest that so easy, what else can I do? It takes discipline and it takes action. But you can't be hung up on a timeline.
Oh, by Friday, I'm gonna manifest $1,000.
What's your intention for this? Why do you even want to manifest this in the first place? Are your intentions pure? Where is it coming from? Are you really in alignment with manifesting $1,000? Or in your mind, you're telling yourself like, hey, yeah, I'm putting this manifestation out there, but I don't even think it's gonna happen. It ain't really gonna happen for me. You gotta change how you think, sis. You gotta change how you speak to yourself. So your negative self-talk is one of the reasons that may be holding you back. Another thing may be you're putting timelines and trying to rush the process. Trust the process. Let me say that again for the people in the back. Trust the process. Enjoy the process. Stay present. Okay? That Kanye West line, the present is the present. Yeah, the present is really in the presence. The present time. That is the real present. Okay? Enjoy your journey to achieving your goals and not being hung up on the end result of the goal. Have fun. Have a light heart. Quick little story before I wrap this up. Last year, around this time, I had already been a nurse for almost 2 years. And I'm like, okay, it's time for me to do more because now I got the experience that I need, and it's time for me to do more. I was making literally less than what I made in a week as a travel nurse. I made that in a month. Let me say that again. What I made as a travel nurse in 1 week was double the amount that I made as a staff nurse in 1 month. And that was me working extra hard, trying to get overtime and all these little bonuses. And I remember coming home from work one day and I'm on the phone with my boyfriend, and I literally had worked about 6 days straight now, 6 12-hour shifts. I was exhausted. And the reason why I said this is because when I reached that point of exhaustion, I realized that I wasn't living on my edge anymore. I realized that I was just becoming complacent with what I had going on in my life, and it was time for more. So I wrote out with my new moon, full moon rituals that I wanted to manifest making double my salary in a week. That was my manifestation. And by January 2021, I landed my job as a travel nurse, and I was making double the amount of money that I made in a month in a week. That was like one of the best feelings ever, because at this point I've been manifesting for a very long time. I like to consider myself a master manifester because I am really good with getting into alignment and just like knowing, like when I wrote it down, when I saw it in my head, when I felt it, when I like have that feeling, I know that it's already done. So there's no need for me to worry, just allowing things to play out. And that's what happened. Like I literally landed a job where I was making more money than I ever made in a regular job. And it was a great feeling. So quick reminder, if you're on this manifestation journey and you are using the law of attraction, be kind to yourself, take your time, and enjoy the process. Because before you know it, you would have been manifested that goal and dream, and then now you want something bigger, something more, and then you haven't really enjoyed achieving that goal. Take your time, stay focused, stay present, and do what needs to be done to achieve your goals. If you like this video, go ahead and hit thumbs up right now. Hit that like button. If you have some tips on some things that may have stopped you from manifesting your dreams, Go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. I know there's more things that I can talk about in this video, but we're just gonna keep it down to 3 tips, and then I'll open it up in the comment section for us to talk a little bit more on some things that may just be holding you back, and it just might be you getting in your way, sis. Also, don't forget to buy your tickets for the Strip Naked Goddess Healing event. This event will take place on November 20th. The attire is all shades of neutrals and nudes, okay? We're not actually gonna be nude. We are gonna be clothed, but it's gonna be in whatever type of neutrals and nudes that you like, with making it your own style with adornments. You can wear a crown, you can wear a nice thick waist bead, you can wear a nice beautiful chain, whatever. Do the little nose clip piece. I don't know how I'm gonna show up yet. I just been kind of like looking at different things, but I am ready. I already got my outfit. I'm just getting my jewelry. Love you guys so much. Don't forget, you change your mind and you change your whole entire life. I'll see you guys in next week's video. I tan, don't I? I've been out in the sun on the beach preparing for this Goddess Healing event, Strip Naked Goddess Healing event on November 20th. If you haven't got your ticket yet, get it now. I look forward to being there with you goddesses, helping you heal on this journey. I've been with you. If you've been rocking with me for the 2 years that I've had this channel, you know that I put a lot of passion into making these videos, and I'm very passionate about doing the events. It's a little secret, let me let you know. I've always wanted to do events. Before I actually started the channel, I always aspired to doing events, and actually I wanted to do some abroad, like traveling, and like maybe in Bali or, you know, India or different places where we can really connect. But for this very first one, it will be here in Miami, on Miami Beach. We will be going inside of the water to purify. I have vegan treats. I'm gonna have a nice abundant dance led by Layla, Chosen Goddess, on Instagram. Make sure you follow her. And if you are in the Arizona area, you have to make sure you go to one of her events, one of her abundant dance sessions. She is an amazing goddess, and I'm so pleased and happy and grateful to even have met her through this channel and to be able to call her a sister. Like, we connected, and I look forward to making those type of connections with you at this event. Like, it's amazing to actually meet someone and be able to be yourself and them be themselves, and you're helping each other to grow and heal. So I encourage you to go ahead and book your tickets now, book your flights if you're coming from out of town. We are gonna be healing on another level, honey. So if you are ready for this event, if you are ready to heal, please put down in the comment section, we are healing. I am ready to heal and release. Put in the comment section, I am ready to heal and release.